have no reason to lie to you. And I know I can tell you the truth.
Shut up right now. You don't ever do that.
I'm so
shut up.
And I found some cocaine in my pocket. The only thing I did was took it out of my pocket, Mr. Simpson. That's all I did. I would never lie to you, ever.
Well, you need to tell me the truth. No, you hold up. Don't tell me to hold up.
I'm not lying to you, Mr. Simpson.
Oh, we don't want to do that. We're done.
All right, everyone. Today's court hearing is a wild one. Judge Simpson is dealing with a heated case, and the defendant's behavior is something else. This man ends up caught in several lies right there in court, and the way he tries to defend himself is truly unbelievable that you'll be shaking your head at some of the things he says. It's one of those moments where you can't decide whether to laugh or cringe. Still, it makes for a fascinating look at how not to handle yourself in front of a judge. What do you think about his defense? Do you think he believed his own story? Let me know your thoughts in the comments while you watch. Let's dive in and see how this one unfolds.
Your Honor, I received the report yesterday. I haven't seen any of the underlying tests. It's my understanding that there was a positive test for cocaine several weeks or in mid-November, if my recollection serves me right. He was counseled for that. It was he has not had any other positive tests since. There has been multiple tests. Your Honor has the report.
I do.
Your Honor, Mr. Watkins reports that he has not used cocaine. He has not used marijuana since being ordered not to. And those. That's why I was hoping to.
Hold on, before he says that, if you want me to call over and get the amount.
Well, that's what I was wondering, Judge. If the lab amounts were going, if the amounts were going down progressively with each test, that would be indicative of.
Can I speak, Simpson?
You can if you want to, but you might want to let your attorney talk to you.
No, I don't mind speaking at all. I mean, as far as the marijuana, Mr. Simpson, like I said, since the day I've been going over there, I haven't smoked weed since. And I have no reason to lie to you. Why would I lie to you? I can just tell you the truth. I would just tell you, yes, I smoked, but I haven't smoked marijuana since. As far as the cocaine, like I told my attorney, I was going through my old clothes. Like I wouldn't lie to you. I would have no reason to lie to you at all. I'm doing great in my life. I'm doing everything I'm supposed to be doing. I showed up to court. You didn't have to put a warrant out for me.
Can you order the results of the marijuana? I need levels.
Yeah, please. I haven't smoked at all, period, Mr. Simpson. If I did, I would tell you. I have no reason to lie to you. And I can just simply say, yeah, I smoked. I slipped up here and there. But I never have. I never smoked since the day I've been through the report, not one time. Not one time have I smoked, period. Not once.
So what's up with the cocaine?
I told you, like I was going through my clothes. I can talk. I don't mind talking. And I found some cocaine in my pocket. The only thing I did was took it out of my pocket, Mr. Simpson. That's all I did, and took it straight to I could have sold it. I could have did a whole lot of stuff with it. But I told you I'm doing so good in my life right now. I took it straight to the toilet stool and flushed it. I have no reason to lie, Mr. Simpson.
So why is it showing up in your system?
I don't know. I just touched it, Mr. Simpson. I never used cocaine in my life, ever. Just touch it.
You know,
Mr. Simpson, I would never.
No, listen. I've been doing this for a minute. I can't believe you're like an amoeba. What, are you absorbing it through your skin like that?
Yes, Mr. Simpson.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Simpson, I promise you.
Give me the levels on the cocaine too, please.
Yeah, please, Mr. Simpson. I wouldn't lie to you. I have no.
Okay. I don't know how you get 152 million. How do you do that?
Can I talk, Mr. Simpson?
I would.
Well, you've been talking.
Oh, listen, please. Let me clear this up to you. There's no.
You're not doing a very good job,
Mr. Simpson.
I don't think I've ever seen someone look more obviously guilty in court. This man might as well have been holding a sign that said, "I did it." No innocent person keeps interrupting their own lawyer, the one person who actually knows what to say. Just to shout, "I wouldn't lie," over and over again. The more he said it, the less believable it became. It's like watching someone deny something that's clearly true while ignoring the person trying to help them. Definitely not the smartest courtroom strategy. Even basic legal rights couldn't save him here. He just didn't know when to stay quiet. Honestly, I had to grab some popcorn because the whole scene was so unbelievable it felt like watching a movie. What do you think? Does his defense sound convincing to you? Let's jump back in and see what happens next.
I know you want him to talk, but let me talk, please.
No, I'll let anybody talk that wants to talk to me. I'm just telling you, you are not helping yourself.
I know. I don't see how, since I would never lie to you, ever. I've never used cocaine in my life. Only thing I did was touch it. Miss Willard was right there when I showed her, and I took it straight to the. I don't know if it stayed in my system when I flushed it or whatever. But I could take a lie detector test. I've never used cocaine in my life, Mr. Simpson.
How does it stay in your system when it didn't get there?
When it didn't get there.
You took cocaine out of some old clothes.
Right.
Took it right from there to the bathroom.
I didn't say out of a jacket I had that was in storage, Mr. Simpson. I would never.
Okay, and then I know you would never lie to me.
Okay.
And so then you didn't do anything with that cocaine.
Mr. Simpson,
And then somehow or another that gets into your system at these levels.
Mr. Simpson.
Oh, you got to be kidding.
Okay,
Tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to wait for the levels to come across. In the intro, Mr. Allen, take him back, put him in, and then we'll bring you back out.
Okay,
and then I'll do that.
Okay,
I'd let you talk.
I know. Can I just say one more thing?
Sure.
Listen, Mr. Simpson, this is what I'm trying to tell you. I call every week and go drop, right? If I'm using cocaine, there's no way in the world I would have went over there and dropped. I would have came in. I would have called over there, told him something, and missed the whole thing, Mr. Simpson. I would have missed it. I would have made an excuse. I would have went to the hospital. Or I could have said this. Oh, somebody put some cocaine in the weed, and I accidentally smoked. And it was in the weed. I could have told you all of that. But I'm telling you the honest to God truth, Mr. Simpson. The honest to God truth. I did not smoke no weed. And if I did that, I could have told you that. You're a fair guy. You've been fair with me every time I came in here. Every time I ever came and seen you, you always been fair with me. So I wouldn't stand in front of you and lie to you. And if I did use cocaine, I would ask for help. I've been doing good for 18 months, period. Working every day, taking care of Miss Willard grandmother for 10 months straight. I never lied to you, Mr. Simpson. I wouldn't do that when I know I can ask you for help.
Okay. I'm going to get levels and then deal with your case at some other point. But right now you're going to go with my bailiff. We'll get that information and then we'll bring you back out.
Today?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Simpson.
Unless you want me to.
No, I don't.
Okay,
really
but if
don't.
you keep talking, it's going to be tomorrow.
All right, thank you.
Okay, stop talking. Good, there we go. Okay, I know you wouldn't lie to me.
I have to say, this is one of the most unintentionally funny court hearings I've seen in a long time. This man actually tried to convince the judge that he somehow absorbed cocaine through his skin, which, of course, isn't how that works. Substances like that don't just soak in like lotion or sanitizer. It would take actual contact through ingestion or an open wound. The excuse just didn't make any sense. Then, to make matters worse, he started bringing up religious references as part of his defense, as if that would somehow help his case. Not only is that an inappropriate approach in court, but it's also a terrible legal strategy. The charge he's facing is serious, and it's clear the court isn't buying his story. Every time he insists that he's being honest, it only seems to raise more doubt about what he's saying. At this point, it feels like he's just making things harder for himself. What do you think about his defense so far? Let's get back into the hearing and see how Judge Simpson handles it.
I'd ask the court to, if the court's concerned about this,
He needs to just tell
test.
me, and I don't mean to interrupt you, Mr. Getty, but he needs to just tell me the truth. I mean, that, you know, we can sit there and play this game, but the cold-hearted reality of what happened is he almost goes down to a zero after it kind of falls off, and then all of a sudden it just shoots back up. Then he's trying to tell me that on the 19th of November, that all of a sudden this cocaine through some osmosis process, I don't know how that all of a sudden just gets into his system. So he's just got to start being honest, and don't sit up here and say, I wouldn't lie to you, Mr. Simpson, because this tells me you did.
Mr. Simpson, I would take a lie detector test for you. I would go over there 3 days.
I'm done.
Okay.
Your Honor, if I could say, one other thing is that Mr. I mean, he's been working steady for the last 18 months. He is a caregiver for his significant other's mother. His life is a much markedly different thing now than it was even in October. This is a...
Well, he needs to tell me the truth.
Hold up, Mr.
I mean, no, you hold up. Don't tell me to hold up. You sit up there and tell me.
I'm not lying to you, Mr.
Oh,
Simpson.
we don't want to do that. We're done. We're done.
Do I smoke weed, baby?
We're done.
I never.
We're done.
Listen, I'm
We're
not
done.
lying to you.
You do not yell at me.
I
Ever.
am not
Ever.
lying.
Do
I
not
can't-
yell at me. Ever.
Hold up. This is the
Ever.
first time
No,
ever
you
me
do
telling-
not hold up.
I'm telling
Do
you the
not
truth,
yell.
Mr.
You do
Simpson.
not talk to me that way.
Man, I can't
You
believe
do
it.
not talk to me that
I'm
way.
not talking
Ever.
to be disrespectful.
Ever.
But I came in here when I was full of garbage. You worked with me. Now I'm telling you the truth, and you telling me I'm lying to you? I have no reason to lie to you, and I know I can tell you the truth. When I used to come in here and I had nothing to stand on, you gave me every chance in the world, Mr.
I
Simpson.
did. I did. That's why I
can't believe it.
Why I expect the truth from you.
That's what
I'm
I'm
looking
telling
at the
you.
graphs.
Even when I came in here, I was full of garbage, Mr. Simpson. You let me go. I'm telling you the truth now, and you think I'm lying to you? I'm taking care of her grandma. I've been doing this for 10 months straight. I've been working. I'm paying child support. I got my name on the lease on the house. I never came in front of you and I had these things accomplished. Now you think I would lie to you? When I know that you're a man and let me finish talking, please. I didn't mean to yell at you, Mr. Simpson. I got the utmost respect for you. And I always have. I'm sorry. But I wouldn't lie to you, Mr. Simpson. I promise you, I'm so sorry for raising my voice. But I wouldn't lie to you when I know I can tell you the truth.
Don't ever do that to me.
I'm sorry, Mr.
Just
Simpson.
shut up right now. You don't ever do that to me.
I'm so
No, shut up.
I can't believe you doing
And I know my mom taught me better than that, but you better shut up.
I can't believe you doing
Shut up and turn around. Just shut up. I sat up there and I listened to you. I did all of that. I don't believe your story about the cocaine. What I was serious, do not say another word, because if you say another word, you're gone. I'm done. I went over and I said I was hoping that the graphs would come back and they would indicate to me that you had not used THC. I was hoping there was something in your story.
Man, I ain't lying to you. Hey, babe, what's the phone number? I'm sorry, just take me to jail. Babe, what's the phone number?
Go.
What's your phone number, babe?
Just go.
I honestly can't believe this man's behavior in court. It almost seemed like he wanted to end up in jail because every word out of his mouth just made things worse. He was facing serious drug-related charges, and instead of letting his attorney handle it, he kept interrupting and talking over everyone. You could tell his lawyer had given up trying. It's nearly impossible to defend someone who won't stop speaking, especially when they are only making themselves look guiltier. It was like he thought that if he argued loud enough, the judge would just forget why they were there in the first place. His behavior was completely out of control, restless, agitated, and unreasonable. It really looked like he wasn't thinking clearly at all. Whether it was nerves, stress, or something else going on, he just couldn't calm down or cooperate. Judge Simpson handled it well, though. He stayed patient as long as he could, but eventually had to remove the man from the courtroom. Honestly, I don't blame him. The judge deals with one case after another, and the last thing he needs is someone shouting over him. If the man had just stayed quiet and let his lawyer do the talking, things could have gone very differently. He might have even avoided jail with a lighter sentence or probation. But court isn't the place to lose your temper or try to argue your way out of serious charges. Anyway, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. What did you think about how this case played out? Could his defense have gone any worse? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and take care, everyone.